today we're going to be building this build. And yeah, I know, it looks quite similar. I know what you're going to say in the comments. It's quite similar to that other build that I built. And he has these back legs. Yes, it is quite similar. Because this is the mother of the family. Because I've got the, when I've been building offline. Off camera. I built them off camera. Okay. Yep. I'm just about to show you. Okay. But you guys can actually a proper look. You don't have to add this extra bit. Okay. Sorry. Okay. I just put that on to take it off. Okay, first you get these, same as the other video where I showed you how to make the other guy's thing. I'm going to show you when you visualize, stop here and visualize, okay. 2x3, 2x3. Turn this bit. Just going to take off a few bricks and properly show you. You can see all those blocks just go. Yeah. Okay, that's enough visualizing. Then you become like this. Turns into then the leg and the foot bit. Just stick it at the bottom. Then this. Stick it at the bottom. And then you use this. Don't mind what happened in the background. Then you use this piece, and it has two arms. Oh, this piece a bit you visualize as well. Yeah, and then you put it, put it on top of that. Then this guy, yeah, it actually has some hair. You want to know how I done it? Wet. Wow. Wow. Well, wait, and you do something. Okay, so this is the piece. And a banana. Then you do that all for the hair. And then the top bits are just number pieces. And you just use. Yeah. By the way, this can be This can. I literally just took off most of the head of this. I'm taking off every single piece just to get this piece on. Not it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, you should have about very much enough time that you've visualized all of this, because it's literally been like 3 minutes. Oh yeah, bye. Please like and subscribe. I forgot to say that in the other video where I made the guy with the extra limbs. Oh yeah, bye. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that. Okay, bye guys. Bye guys. Ciao.